Thank you very much, Giorgio, for this very nice introduction. And one more time, welcome to everybody who came today to our approaches to quality of life and clinical management of HD. And I am honored today to be with Giorgio because it's showing that we are truly multidisciplinary HD, because Giorgio is an archaeologist from Cyprus, currently assistant professor of ancient visual and material culture at Trinity College in Dublin. And as well, he is a board member of the European Huntington Association and the founder of the Cypriot organization, member of EHDA program committee, and also participating, organizing the photo contest that we are having here at the EHDN. So please participate at the EHDN photo exhibition. And as well, he is at the moment having very interesting program trying to connect HD with archaeology and connecting the inclusion of archaeology and history with the present. So as you can see, Giorgio is actually a man that you can use for everything. So he is a great connection for us in HD community, and I'm very happy to share this session with him, and I would like to tell you only a few words to what we are heading to. Okay, so today we will be talking about the quality of life, and we know all that the quality of life just very simply is defined by the World Health Organization as an individual perception of their position in life in the context of the culture and value system in which they live in relation to their goals, expectations, standards, and concern. And this is about that we are here today because of our patients and families with HD, and about that, how they live, how they feel, and what they are concerned about. And we have learned about years, or I'm quite new to the field concerning to burnout, for example. I am only here since 2010. I learned a lot from HD families, and I learned that actually that what is affecting the quality of life is the physical health, psychological condition, mental health, independence, what they can do, what they cannot do, relation with others, environment where they live. And the neuropsychiatric symptoms are considered to be the most severe ones. They are really truly psychosocial burden of patients and families with HD. And this is the reason why today in our session, we will look at the new approaches about the quality of life, and we will look for the better understanding of our emotion and psychiatric aspects of HD and management of those severe symptoms. And as I'm a psychiatrist, I truly believe that this is one of the most important things in the management of HD. So please forgive me if there are too many neurologists sitting. And we will start today our story with a real, truly patient story, and I leave now my colleague to introduce our first speaker.